Ever lost a window and felt your productivity plummet? Let's fix that. First, we're tackling the most common culprit, the off-screen window. You might have accidentally dragged a window off your monitor or disconnected a second display, leaving an application hidden from view. Don't worry. Windows has some quick fixes. Method 1 involves keyboard shortcuts. Locate the application by finding its icon on the taskbar. Select the icon once you've selected the app shortcut. We'll use a combination of keys. First, Windows key and the Shift key. Now, hold both those keys down, and then press the left or right arrow key once. Keep repeating that arrow key press if needed, until the window reappears on your screen. Try the opposite arrow key. If that doesn't work on the first try, the window should pop back into view quickly. You may have to hold the key down and press repeatedly to move the window until it's in view. Sometimes those shortcuts don't work in this situation. We can try a slightly different method, which also uses the taskbar. First, right-click on the application's icon on the taskbar. In the pop-up menu that appears, select the option to adjust the window's position if that option is available. Click it. A window management menu should appear if the move or maximize options are available. Try selecting them to try to reposition the lost window. In some cases, if you are lucky, your window is now back on the screen. With these simple Windows tricks, you can banish those lost windows and reclaim your productivity. Try these techniques out.